Today I'm doing a quick mass airflow sensor cleaning. A dirty sensor can cause rough, idle, poor fuel economy, and slow throttle response. To reach the sensor, I'm removing the intake tube. I already had this apart earlier while doing spark plugs, so this gives us easy access. Next, I remove the 2 screws holding the mass airflow sensor, and yep, dropped one. Happens to everybody. Luckily, I found it. Now I spray the sensor with mass airflow cleaner. Never touch the sensing element, it's extremely delicate. Just let the cleaner dissolve any dirt or oil buildup. Once it dries, I reinstall the sensor and tighten the screws evenly. Then reconnect the electrical connector until it clicks into place. After reinstalling everything, I start the engine and double check my work, making sure the intake is sealed and the connector is fully seated. Forgot my flashlight. Can't check anything without that. And that's it. Quick maintenance that helps keep your engine running smoothly.